Hi. Hi. I'm Canadian Spider-Man. Hi. Hello. Aren't you beautiful? Huh? Aren't you beautiful? Hello. Why, hello. Hello. Hi. I just gave her a little wave. Nothing too aggressive. Oh, there's a loud vehicle coming. Hi. Don't worry. It's okay. Hi. The honking was because I'm wearing a Canadian flag on my back. Going out jogging, and I wore it as a cape. And there you go. There you go. Okay, folks, that was Canadian wildlife. Right down the road there, eh? It's a beautiful day. I guess they're out looking for food. Springtime is here. Hope you're enjoying yourselves. I will try and swing by your neighborhood if I can. Have a good day. Gonna go to the park and drink some beer. See ya.